Hello everyone, my name is Allison, Princess of the Desert, and welcome back to another episode of Will It Survive an Equestrian? This is a series where I take a makeup product and put it to the ultimate long riding test. I wear it all day while I go to my riding lesson, and we see how well it holds up through heat, sweat, humidity, wind, rain, all the possible harsh elements you can think of, and we see how well it still looks at the end of the day. Today I am super excited because we are going to be testing out a higher end holiday lip product. So as always, out of the literally billion other YouTube creators out there, thank you so much for choosing to watch me test out a lip product today. Be sure and give this video a like and subscribe. Click the notification bell to see more of me in the future. You can also check out my second channel, Allison Adventure, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Campering Gorgeous. But for now, let's get on with the video. Okay, so I have here with me the Bite Beauty 4 Little Bites Mini Amuse Bouche Lipstick Set. So it comes in packaging like this. This is their mini lipstick holiday set that they come out with every year. I did check last night and this set is still available. I looked on Bite's website. What I will say is if you want it, go and get it quickly because these Bite sets sell out super fast. I'm lucky that I even got one this year. Like I said, this is the 4 Little Bites holiday set. The whole set is $25 and you get 4 mini lip products. If you were to buy a full-size Bite lipstick, it would be like $26. So I think that's a really good value. You get to try 4 colors for basically the same price as one full lipstick. So the Bite lipsticks are all made with 12 edible oils. I did go on like the Bite Beauty website and it was really interesting because they give a whole list of all the oils and everything that's in there. It's actually kind of really cool and it's really great. Bite lipsticks have triple milled pigments, saturated color with weightless coverage, and these do like claim to have a bit of a citrus smell because of like the orange wax in them. And I really pick up on citrus from these lipsticks. It's also like supposed to be mint and vanilla. Personally, I just smell the orange wax though. It's a nice smell, but the smell of these does stay with you all day. It doesn't fade off. And personally, I just kind of like my lipstick to smell like nothing. So beware that they do have a scent to them. This particular holiday set gives us the shades Nori, Tannin, Date, and Sake. So these are the shades right here. I feel like it's a very nice, beautiful selection. We have Date, Sake, Tannin, and then Nori at the end. The Date, the kind of nude one, is my favorite. It really looks nice on my complexion. I've been wearing it all the time, but I am disappointed because that is the one that is limited edition. I thought it was Sake, unfortunately it's Date. So, oh well, I just enjoy it while I have it. I have been wearing these around, like I wore these on Sunday and it lasted all day. It felt really nice. What I will say about these lipsticks is you have like the moisture of a really nice lip balm, but the pigmentation of a luxury lipstick. So these are very nice. Really happy that I finally tried Bite Beauty. I always wanted to, but they sell out like really, the holiday set always sells out super fast. So I'm super glad that I got to try it this year. Bite Beauty is handcrafted in Toronto, Canada. Shout out to any Canadian subscribers I have. All of the lipstick is also formulated without any parabens, any phthalates, sulfates, or petrochemicals. I'm not sure what that means. It sounds kind of scary though. So there's none of that junk in there, and they are also a cruelty-free brand, which is great. Out of this gorgeous lipstick selection, you should be able to guess which one we're going to test out. We are going to test out Tannin, this beautiful poppy red. This set is limited edition, like I said. Go out and get it quickly if you want it, but I'm glad that they include permanent shades in this little set. So that's why I wanted to pick a shade that I know you can get Tannin in the full size. And also, I mean, we just know red is my absolute favorite color, and red is a really good show color. So we're just gonna get on in and apply. Packaging on these is all really nice. Even though they're mini, they still did a really good job, like with the details. You have like the bee on the tube right there. Packaging is rubberized, so even though it's mini, they still did a really good job putting out the set. I think I'm just gonna get on in and apply this lipstick. Okay, so there is tannin applied to my lips. I just think this red is absolutely gorgeous. On camera, I feel like it's a little bit bright. In person, it has a little bit more depth to the red, but that's kind of washing out on camera. This is an absolutely gorgeous red. I don't think I really have even ever tried a true poppy red lipstick, and I really like it. So, I mean, as you can see, it goes on so nice and creamy. It's so pigmented. What I will say though is this is a moisturizing lipstick. I mean, it's not anything matte, obviously. So I have not experienced any trouble with it like bleeding or smearing out of the lip lines, at least with the lighter shade. So that's kind of why I'm interested to test out a darker shade today. But it's just like I put my lips together and instantly it's just moisture. You just feel all those nice oils. It's so comfortable. I'm really excited to see how well it does. So like I said, these are not at all transfer proof. They will never dry down with all of that nice oil in there. So don't think you're going to be able to secretly give somebody a kiss and it's not going to show up. It will show up. It will smudge off. It will wipe off. So that's just something to consider, but for the comfort factor, just wow. Oh my gosh. It's so nice and creamy. Have I rambled on enough about lipstick? I think I touched on all the points that I meant to. So it is currently almost about 8 o'clock in the morning. I go to my riding lesson. I'm so happy because I'm gonna ride Anthem. We are doing really well. I just like need to, how do you say, like get my head in the game to really do my best so I can have my best performance. That is what I'm doing. And I think honestly with this fabulous red lipstick, I'm just gonna like be a total dressage diva today. So I have my riding lesson, I have some errands to do, just pretty much a basic normal day, except I'm wearing this fabulous red lipstick. Whenever I wear red lipstick, it just puts me in a better mood. It's just my favorite lipstick color. I think that is enough rambling. Before we go, I promised that I would give a special shout out to Isabella Elliott. She has a YouTube channel. I will leave it linked for you down below. She loves animals. She does makeup. There's a really great video where she's putting on makeup with briar horses, and that blew my mind. That was love that video. It is hilarious. Go and check it out. I will leave her channel link down for you below. Go and give her some love and some support. Okay, so now I think that is everything. I really have to go now. And we will see how well this fabulous Bite lipstick holds up throughout the day. Everyone, so I am back and I think my lipstick still looks pretty good. It is kind of like balling up a little bit in the center of my lips, which is kind of strange, but it's holding up. It's still nice and moisturizing. It's still very pigmented. And I was getting so dry out in the arena. I was having difficulty like breathing, except there was snot coming up my nose. It's always nasty, okay? You know that. So I'm gonna go and finish, do an errand. I'm gonna head home. I haven't been drinking a whole lot. Water and some smoothie. So I have, you know, had a little bit to drink, and lipstick is still holding up. So I will see you at the next update. It is currently 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Hello everyone, I am back. Halloween is past and I want to stop scaring people, so I thought that I would end this video. So let me show you why. So this is what is left of the Bite lipstick after 8 hours, I think it is. A lot of it has faded away, kind of like around the corners of my mouth. It did bleed a little bit too, which I'm really not that happy about. And as you can see right here, I must have touched it or something and it smudged. And I'm not bashing it. It's still a very, very nice lipstick, and it never claimed that it would be long wearing. I basically just did this for my own amusement. I didn't think it would do this badly, but I feel like riding is just too harsh of a sport for the Bite lipsticks, okay? Wear them when you go out, wear them to give yourself a little treat, not quite to the barn. Because I mean, it just, at a distance it doesn't look bad, but up close it's feathering, it's faded, it's kind of balled up, kind of weird in certain places. It's like I feel like a vampire and Halloween has already passed. So anyway, I came home, I ate some salmon and with some ranch dressing. Yes, that's kind of a little bit oily maybe, but I was using a fork and it still kind of made a mess. It got all over the place. Yeah, I think I am just ready to be done. So the big question here, no, Bite lipsticks did not survive an equestrian. That's okay. I still really like them. I still really enjoy them. I still feel like they're very moisturizing. You know, I put my lips together and I can't feel as much oil anymore, but I don't feel like my lips are dry. Sometimes when you wear any lip product for a long amount of time, it just kind of starts to feel yucky and crusty and you just want it off. That's not the case with this. I feel like if you live in a dry climate, kind of like it's dry here, or in the winter, this is a really, really good product to have. Today it was pretty dry. It was really dusty, and I think that kind of maybe sucked some of the oil off of this lipstick, but I still feel like on a comfort level, it did really good. The pigment going everywhere did not. That's fine. That's all right. It was mostly just for fun, but just as a mental note to myself, I would not wear this to a show. That could be disastrously dangerous. So I think that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to go and check out Isabella Elliott's channel, and I will see you next time. Bye!